Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to request money from another person on Apple Cash. Firstly, open the Wallet app and select the Apple Cash card. Now, tap Send or Request to initiate the request, and enter the person's name, email, or phone number. Now, type the amount you wish to request from that person. You can choose between 20, 30, wherever you want, then tap on Request. A request message will appear in iMessage. You can type an optional message and then tap the arrow to send. Once the payment is approved, you'll receive a text message confirmation confirming that the request is successfully sent to the recipient. Just wait for them to respond and then send you the money. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.